Polynomials, factoring by grouping. Let's take a look at the current polynomial that we have on the board. It reads 8y cubed minus 12y squared plus 14y minus 21. When you're working with a four-termed polynomial, you first want to group it into two binomials. In this case, those two binomials would be 8y cubed minus 12y squared plus 14y minus 21. Now that we have our one polynomial grouped into two binomials, we can now locate the greatest common factor. The greatest common factor between 8 and 12 is 4 because 4 can be divided into both terms evenly. So we'll write 4. The greatest common factor of y cubed and y squared is y squared. And we'll write our remainder inside the parentheses. 8 divided by 4 is 2. Y cubed divided by y squared leaves you with y. Minus 12 divided by 4 is 3. Your y squared has already been factored out, so our first binomial in factored form is 4y squared times 2y minus 3. Now, let's move to the second binomial. The greatest common factor between 14 and 21 that can be divided evenly is 7. So we'll write 7. And then we'll fill in our parentheses. 14 divided by 7 is 2. And your y does not need to be factored because there's only one y term. Minus 21 divided by 7 equals 3. So our answer in factor form is 4y squared times 2y minus 3 plus 7 times 2y minus 3. What we can do now is combine our like binomials. In this case, 2y minus 3 and we're going to put our remainder inside of parentheses, which will be 4y squared plus 7. Therefore, your answer is 2y minus 3 times 4y squared plus 7. One way you can check to verify that this answer is correct is multiplying the two binomials using the FOIL method. And your answer should take you back to your initial polynomial. Let's verify. Our first terms, 2y times 4y squared is equal to 8y cubed. The outside, which will be 2y times 7 equals 14y. Your inner terms, negative 3 times 4y squared equals a negative 12y squared. And then your outer terms, negative 3 times 7 is a negative 21. Since we don't have any common terms or like terms to put together, we can, if we put this answer in exponential order, we can see our answer better. So it would look like 8y cubed minus 12y squared plus 14y minus 21. This equals our original polynomial. Therefore, the correct answer is 2y minus 3 times 4y squared plus 7.